twin fan with that air. Do not inflate.
Good! Look who's here, Sharon! So serious. Anak mo ha, again ha? On... Yes! Welcome to Manila. Manila ni guys. Mao ni Manila, syudad sa Manila. Tanawan ninyo ha? Na ay daghan kaayong mga overpass, busy. Ang Manila po is 24 hours. They don't sleep. People here, they don't sleep.
You're getting paid, right?
Yeah.
This is a Manila, guys.
That's why
But he's telling me, oh, that's a lot of work for himself.
oh, your company time, you're wasting my time and I'm missing work. It's like,
Yeah.
oh, the earliest is like this, like this. I was like, no, you can't do that. You need to. I was like, I will not stay in the airport for 15 hours with no proper rest and food, you know. So she was like, okay, ma'am, we're gonna do this. So then he's like, just check your email. How many hours later? He's like, okay, let's just go over there. So we went over
What? Traffic
there.
in
I was
Manila.
like, as soon as my uncle
People,
just
the
went over
riders
there,
are
it was just,
here.
like,
What's
so
going on
fast.
here? Kaya look at
They gave
Look
us
at
a voucher
behind.
and everything, and so that's why we are like when we came here, it was easy drop in. But I was like, this is so crazy. Oh my goodness.
So-
What?
Oh my
Same
goodness.
thing. I look at my email, your flight has been canceled.
I was like, why you cancel it? I didn't even reschedule, and then they said if you have any changes, they're gonna like bill you for it. You know, charge you for. I was like, no, you're not.
He said, well, he goes, you're leaving 16. He goes, there's some people that are leaving the 23rd.
23rd.
It's not my problem.
I was like, this is That's why I said. I was like, this is your company's fault.
Yeah.
This is not the passenger.
There is no backup
I can't believe that's the
flight.
only plane.
Yeah, and I said that we booked this for some reason. We didn't book this for your own convenience.
Months in
I
advance.
was like, oh my goodness. So that's why I called my uncle. I was like, no, I can't stay in the airport and be there for 15 hours just laying on the floor. Just laying on the floor, looking at people. What am I gonna do with that? So they finally, give it to us because I mean, it's in their policy. They need to reimburse and
Nangaon na sila sa Ah,
rasyon sa mga na-stranded.
diri na nangaon sa kuano? Diri na nangaon sa airport.
Said it's fish.
Yeah.
Alfredo.
Tanggong miani una, na-stuck miani. Ugasa miani paingon. Na.
I made a taco. Okay.
Finally, we are in the plane to go Australia. Hey, we are here.
crew ready for takeoff.
Ladies and gentlemen, as final preparation for takeoff, please ensure that your seatbelt is correctly fastened. Thank you.
Welcome to the heart of Australia.
Crew starting final approach.
Ladies and gentlemen, as final preparation for landing, please ensure that your seatbelt is correctly fastened. Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Sydney, where the local time is 8:35 a.m. and the outside temperature is 12 degrees Celsius. For safety reasons, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the illuminated seatbelt sign have been turned off. Please be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as some objects might have moved around during landing. When disembarking, please remember to take all your personal belongings with you. We also remind you that it is not permitted to smoke or use electronic cigarettes and to reach the authorized areas at the airport terminal. Your electronic devices must remain in flight safe mode or switched off until we open the doors. On behalf of Philippine Airlines, Captain Tormo and the entire crew of Wamos Air, we thank you for having fun with us on this occasion. Thank you and good morning.
Ito lahat ng people na stranded sa cancel ng mga flight, kaya nakarating kami ng Sydney ng walang oras. Sydney ito guys, pupunta kami sa 51. All these people tired. Nakapunta kami ng Australia ng walang oras po. Kaya 51 tayo magta-transfer. Itong mga lahat ng tao na to. Diyos ko, 13 more hours ang ililipad namin po papunta ng San Francisco. Welcome to Australia, Kyle. You are in Australia. You are in Australia. United. Welcome to Australia.
Welcome to Australia. I know,
For 2 hours. Transfer.